Today we are making this beautiful cocktail for Valentine's Day. It is our Love Potion Punch. It is floral and refreshing. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. So the first thing you are going to need for your punch is some butterfly pea flowers. This is just some tea. I got it on Amazon. They also sell it in a lot of supermarkets. And since this is loose leaf, all I did was take about 20 of the flowers and then add 2 cups of boiling water to them. Let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I strained all the flowers out of it, and you have this dark purple tea. And see, it's kind of healthy. We're having some butterfly pea flower tea in our cocktail. And because this is a cocktail, I'm going to be using some gin because I find gin and butterfly pea flower actually works really well together. Empress Gin even has one of their gins infused with butterfly pea flowers. But because we're using the tea, I'm just gonna use a regular gin. It's also way less expensive than Empress Gin. So I'm going to add 1.5 cups of gin to this cocktail. As always, you can add or subtract the alcohol level to your liking. But there we go. And here I just have some elderflower liqueur. This adds another floral element to our cocktail. And I'm going to add 1/2 cup of my elderflower liqueur in. There we go. I have to say, I love the smell of Saint Germain. It's just so floral and sweet. Next, I have some vanilla bean simple syrup. If you don't want to make a vanilla bean, you don't have to. You can just use a traditional simple syrup, but this adds some nice flavor to your drink. So to make your vanilla bean simple syrup, all you need to do is add 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and then 1 vanilla bean that you've cut down the middle, scraped out all the little seeds of it, and add that along with the whole bean to your pot. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the sugar has completely dissolved. Then take it off the heat, let it cool, then strain the vanilla bean out of it. I strained it actually twice, but there is some little vanilla bean seeds left in it. I don't mind that, it adds a little bit more flavor, but if you don't like that, you can always use a cheesecloth to get all the little seeds out. I'm just going to add 1/2 cup of my simple syrup because butterfly pea flower is not the sweetest, so you need a little bit of sugar in your drink. And to add a little bit of orange flavor to our drink, I just have some triple sec, and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of triple sec. There we go. Now I'm just going to give this a stir, and this is where it can be color changing. So here I have just a 3/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. You can either add that individually to all your glasses and let your guests see the color changing, or you can just add it straight to your punch. It's up to you. And this is completely optional, but if you want to take your cocktail to the next level, you can always add in a little bit of edible glitter. This makes it so sparkly and beautiful, and I feel like I made a true potion. And now it is my favorite time of any video. It's getting to taste our cocktail. Oh my goodness. That is so good. It's dangerous because I don't taste the alcohol in it, but it's not too sweet and it is so floral and light and refreshing. If you are someone that loves a good floral-based cocktail, you will be obsessed with this because I am one of those people and I am obsessed with this. So if you would like to see some more of my Valentine's Day cocktail recipes and punches, or just cocktails and punches in general, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Cheers!